Do you want to know how you can log into your Toast Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Toast Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to the search bar to search for Toast Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal of Toast Payroll. You can see the login portal over here. The first step is to write down your email address or username in this box. Go ahead and write down your email address or username and then click Next. Now, you need to write down your password in this box over here. After you write down your password, make sure to check it by clicking on this icon over here. Then you can click on I am not a robot and then click Next. This way, you can successfully log into your Toast Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to recover your password. So guys, that's it for today. This was a video on how you can log into your Toast Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.